Hi guys, Tom here. As you can see, today's project is replacing these foam grip covers. This TBR7 dual sport is a single cylinder, so as a thumper, it does vibrate a bit at high RPMs. With these grip covers, I'm able to reduce the amount of tingling after long rides. So I want to replace this so I can get out on the road and make it as comfortable as possible for longer rides. Today we'll be replacing them with some new ones I got off of Amazon. The first step is removing the foam covers. One of the easier ways I found to replace these foam covers is to use basically hand sanitizer. It has like a aloe or a lubricant inside, and a majority of it's alcohol, which will evaporate. And when it's done, it actually forms like a sticky kind of residue. You probably noticed that on your hands. I'm going to use this for the handlebars. Some on the inside. Going to get a little messy. It's time to slide it on. Oh yeah, no chances of getting monetized on this video. And there you go. Half the project's done. I've completed this side. There's a little bit of hand sanitizer that still needs to evaporate. Any residue will rinse right off with some clean water. I will do the same steps on the opposite side. Remove the foam covering, lubricate, place the new foam covering on, and then clean up. On the throttle, it does rotate, so it'll be a little bit of a challenge, but it's not pretty much any different than this side. Now, if you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, please leave them below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.